Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see your Instagram password. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Do you want to know how to see or check your Instagram password? It can be confusing to figure out how to gain access to your account information and see your Instagram password. Maybe you want to log in into your account but you forgot your password and you have no access to your email or your phone number. And how to do it, how to check your Instagram password, how to log in into your account without access to your email and your phone number. It's so simple, don't worry. So all you have to do is you can open your browser, Google or Chrome. Now you can tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. The three dots over here. You can tap on settings. Now you can tap on password manager. And here, all accounts like your Facebook, your Instagram, and another account saved here. You can choose on Instagram.com. As you can see, there's 5 accounts that I have on this device. You can tap on that. You can enter your screen lock. So here's all the account, all of my Instagram account on this device. Now you can choose account that you forget the password and you don't have access to the email. Here's the username and here's the password. You can, if you want to see the password, you can tap on the A icon here, or you can just tap on this icon to copy the password, and you can paste to your Instagram. You can log in to your Instagram here. You can see all the accounts on here, like the username and also the password. Not only Instagram, but another account like Facebook, your Twitter, or your TikTok, and your another account. So that is how to see your Instagram password. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.